This course is illustrated with examples from harvesting tall rye. However, the techniques can be used with wheat, barley or any other grain crop. The height of the crop, however, will affect the setting of the cradle. Ideally, there should be little or no weed in the crop. Weeds not only cause complication in separating out the seeds, but some weeds may also help blunt your scythe. Harvesting by hand shakes the grain way more than mechanical harvesting, so you need to harvest earlier than you would with a combine. Basically, you harvest before the grain is fully ripe. Our harvest is really too late. The grain should be still a little chewy. Because you harvest early, you must ripen and dry the grain after harvest. To do this, the sheaves are stacked and covered. There are several methods for this. We will be showing you how to make a carist or cross. When you cut the grain, you go along the rows and cut into the wall. The wall is the standing grain. If the crop has an untidy edge or insufficient room, the first cut is to tidy up in the opposite direction. That is, if you're going to be cutting to the north, you tidy to the south. This grain will not be as tidy as the main harvest, and it may take more effort to gather it, and the stalks may not be beautifully arranged. It's up to you whether you leave it or gather it. After this, you cut to the right of the wall. Sorry, left-handers, it's just too difficult. You let the cut stalks fall against it for the gatherer to bundle together. Cutting along the row of the crop, always to the right of the wall. Next, let's have a little more detail about gathering and tying.
Város